What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to create child pages into your WordPress website and reasons to do this. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics not choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is start with the why you should create child pages on your site. Let's move to our wordpress.org website, but you can find examples for this in every single big website. Right here on community tab, for example, on the navigation menu, if you hover over this menu, you can find sub page. So those pages are under community. So child page of the parent one, that is community. So under community page we have make WordPress, photo directory, 5 for the future, WordCamp, meetups and job board. Okay, so all of those pages, the 6 pages right here, are part of the community. So different pages but with the same purpose and under community, so part of the same family. This is the parent one and those are child pages. Okay, simple. Okay, this can make your site more organized, give an idea of organization for your site visitors, can help Google to understand your site map because you have a parent page and page with same content related with the parent page. Okay, so maybe some features of a product. So imagine that you are creating a site to sell a single product. You can have, for example, a page called features, and all of those features are as child page of this parent page. Okay, so this is just one of the reasons. Let's get started with how to do this. Move to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over page and click on all pages, or just click on page. Okay, right here you can see all of the pages of your site. Okay, and imagine that in this site I'm selling a product or a service, and we have a page called features where I would like to share an overview of all of the features of my product. But besides this page, features, I would like to create other pages to better describe every single feature of my product. For example, imagine that this product is a WordPress theme. So the feature of a WordPress theme can be header menu. And I'm gonna create a page right here with all of the content exploring the header menu. I just will not create a page content right here to make this tutorial faster, okay? But imagine that I have created a page content right here. After the page content already built, I can go to this option right here from my left sidebar of menus, okay? Sorry, for my right sidebar of menus, and scroll it down. Okay, just scroll it down and until you can find this option to the sidebar next to discussion called page attributes. Click right here, parent page. So this is where I'm gonna set my parent page, and the parent page gonna be features. Okay, and I can even create an order. Okay, so for example, instead of a standalone page, now the features page of my site have subpages under it. Okay, so let's create it. Now if I go back to my WordPress dashboard and move to page, I can see that features have a child page called header menu. Let's create a new page just to focus more. Okay, I can call this page as footer options, for example. Then let's go back to page, scroll it down, let me publish this page, go back, go to page attribute, once again locate features, let me update, then let's go back to the page. So we have features, footer options, header menu. So we have 2 child pages that are under the features page, okay? So this can help the sitemap, this can help a lot of things, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just before I continue, we can set child page or parent page. If you hover your mouse over some page, click on quick edit and parent. I can choose a parent page just like this, okay? So it's an easier and faster way to change instead of opening the editor, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our broader WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your WordPress website for free. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can download and use to customize your site. Or Growth with 3ws.net platform in order to submit your site for receiving and publishing guest posts. And as a final result, the visualmodo.com in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site in order to unlock full access to your full templates library of hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and make your site look like a ready website from the beginning and have a faster result, or full icons library, premium support, blocks, templates, assets, and many more features in order to have the site of your dreams. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best.